Welcome to today's video where we'll be looking at Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 5, a combo tutorial. Combos are going to be key to completing the game. Once you've able to do the various different tricks, we're going to need to put them together. So as you can see, we're pressing Y triangle to grind on a ledge, and we're doing a flip trick off this class as a combo. The more we combo together, the higher multiplier we get and the higher trick score we subsequently reach. This is obviously going to be key to unlocking levels, maximising the game, beating the challenges, all those types of things. So you can combo by chucking together any variation of tricks. As you can see, in this will be manualing, flip tricking, good grab trick and manual, grind and manual. The possibilities are absolutely endless. But it's by combining these that we're going to do it. The manual is key. We do this by pressing up and down. So to get these combo letters, we're going to have to do it all in the same motion. The manual. Basically, the floor is lava. If we're not in a manual, that is the end of our trick. What I'd highly recommend is chucking together more moves than that. What it doesn't cover is the revert, so stay tuned. Coming up next, we will take a look at the revert and how you can put that into your combos. It's going to be absolutely key. So if we weren't to use the revert, you can see once we land, that's the end of it. So we can do our grab trick, revert into a manual, do it and keep the multipliers going, and that is how we're going to high score. So that is key. So beyond the combos, we are going to need to do the quarter pipe tutorial. This shows you how to launch, get air. So the longer we hold a grab trick, the more points we get. We have to do this up to the 300 point. So just doing some of those. That is vert air complete. Next we're going to learn how to spin. So we can use the RB, LB, so L1, R1 to spin and rotate on the board. Again, as you see, we were doing indie. When we start rotating, 180, 360, and our points are going up all the time. So reverts are used to string together manuals and airs, so that you can't go straight into a manual without doing a revert coming off this vert. This is absolutely key in terms of scoring combos. Same applies to lip trick. So to lip trick, press the Y triangle button, heading towards a ledge in a pipe, directly at it. If we hit the pipe at an angle, we're going to grind. Again, we need the revert. So as you see with lip tricking, if we come straight out of it, that's the end of our combo. Hit it directly onto lip trick. If we go straight into a revert, you'll see the combo continued and up the multiplier. The revert does actually give you a multiplier, so that's why it went straight to 3. So we can use any kind of objects, wall plants, to keep our combo going, and that will give us the high scores. As you can see, we're going to hit 3,000 in one move, pretty much, one combo. When you're ready, there's also an advanced section. I highly recommend finishing that if you still want to maximise your combo. Like I say, the combo is purely on its own, does not cover enough ground to get you to unlock that various levels in the game. So this is the extra section of the tutorial. It's going to teach us wall rides, and these are all different moves that we can add together towards our combo. So we have to wall ride a certain distance. So what we do, ride parallel to a wall, press triangle / Y, same as the grind button, but obviously against the wall. We could go into a wall ride, straight into a manual if we wanted to keep the combo going. So Wally is a wall ride with an ollie at the top. So we're wall riding, so that's Y triangle against the wall. And then pressing A, X, depending on what console you're on, just to ollie out of it and perform a Wally. And obviously that will help us get to various high spots within the maps. So wall plant, this is key to combos. When we hit a wall directly on, so it's A/X, depending on what console you're on, to ollie, and it's the exact same button as we're about to hit the wall. As you can see, we can go straight into a manual off those. So when you start learning all these extra tricks, this is what's going to help you maximise the points on the different parks. So we're going to spine transfer. You can see that we're using the revert that we picked up in the combo tutorial earlier. So spine transfer is just pressing R2 over this bank. As you can see, the multiplier was shooting up there, went up to 21. So when we score enough points, we get a special meter. Once we bail, we're going to lose our special meter. So in Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 5, we actually have to get the special meter bar and activate it manually. Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1 and 2 will automatically go into the special meter. It's a lot easier to perform tricks, so we have to actually land it to activate it. In Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 5, you know you're in special mode where you've got this blue jet streaming out of your board. It automatically does special tricks. You can see we're doing some George Washington manual, not pressing any buttons different to the normal tricks. It's automatically done for you, so again, a lot different. If you want to score them high scores, that is how combo is going to get you there. Activate special meter, hit them high scores. So as a little bonus for sticking around, this is the final test on have you nailed the combo. This will tell you if you're ready for the game. So as you can see, we're going to be collecting different marbles across this little room here in the back of the barracks level. Yellow we're going to have to grind to reach, red is air and green is manual. You don't have to do it in a combo, but this will really test our ability where we're at. So manual for the green. Again, didn't pick up the reds. Not quite ready for the game myself. As you can see, this is really putting together what we've learned in the earlier tutorial levels. Like I say, this is just the final test to say, am I ready for the game? So we should have wall ride to get the blue ones, that's why we didn't pick those up. Once you can get all of these, it's fair to say you're ready for the game. Don't forget the wall plant and the wallies. This is going to mean you can reach all these gaps, secret spots, collectibles, score enough points across the levels, and should have no problem enjoying the game and unlocking all the levels. Like I say, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you want future Tony Hawk content. It goes a long way to supporting the channel. We'll be uploading regularly. A real passion project for this game, so please be sure to check those videos out.